is for apple.
Apple. B is for dog. Ball. C is for cat.
Yan yung kinakanta mo nun yung baby cat. Is for dog. Dog.
Namiss ko tuloy maging kinder nung kinder kasi ako yan yung pinapos ko teacher.
Elephant. Is for fish.
Nagtatata lang ako. Habang ako kumakanta. Parang tata ako. Nagtatata. Ate, diba? Nung kinder ako yan, kinakanta ko yan lagi. No? Ate.
Igloo.
Ala.
Don't play the lang.
Let me just hold that.
Kangaroo. Lion. A is for monkey. Monkey. N is for no. U is for octopus.
Octopus.
A is for pig.
Pig.
Shh, be quiet. These are questions.
Questions.
Here is for
Ring.
B is for sun. Sun. T is for train. Sing along. Q is for umbrella.
Umbrella. Van.
Sing na. You know that song eh. Watch. Where's our box? Yay! 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 Everyone clap na!
Clap.
Ay, clap na din, clap. Ay, ayaw niya mag-clap. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This is DS Learning.